What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the 42030. This is going to be our 12x2 hydraulic brake assembly for a 5200 and a 7,000 pound axle. We can see right here, this box will get it in. We'll open this up. We have our small parts here. We're going to have our True Ride vacuum plate and our other vacuum plate here. We can see that everything's pre-assembled. These are ready to go, True Ride inspected. We have our cylinder already on. We can see on the back we have our ports in and out. And we have our sticker here. This is going to tell us left hand, right hand. Then we have our mounting hardware here. This is just our regular 5-hole mounting. It's going to fit most standard axles, Dexter, Alco, Hayes. So the way that we measure these is center to center for these is going to be 2 1/8. These two are going to be 3 inches, and diagonally is going to be 3 7/8. Then we have our mounting hardware here. Now generally these studs are already going to come on the axle plate already, but sometimes they fall out. We like to make sure that you have them, so we send them to you anyway. But the way that these are going to mount is we're going to put the stud through the plate on the axle, through here, and then tighten it down on this side. We can also see that we have the adjusters on. Now if that sticker ever falls off, there is a primary and a secondary back brake, and the way that we can tell which side needs to go on which side is the smaller primary shoe needs to go towards your truck, as well as this pin pointing towards your truck. That'll tell you which side is left hand, right hand. That's pretty much it, guys. That's the 42030.